In this video, we are going to discuss what is bank guarantee, types of bank guarantees, process to avail bank guarantee. What is bank guarantee? A bank guarantee is an assurance given to a beneficiary that the bank will be liable to meet the contractual terms in case of any default by the applicant. Types of bank guarantees: performance guarantee, advance payment guarantee, and bid bond, tender bond guarantee. Process to avail bank guarantee. To request a guarantee, you need to contact your bank with a BG request that identifies the value of BG required and the reason for the guarantee. But almost all banks provide guarantees against the collateral or 100% of the fixed deposit. Are you looking to get bank guarantee without blocking your cash funds? We, the bank guarantee providers in Dubai, assist contractors and traders to get the required bank guarantee on their company's behalf without blocking their cash funds. For all your bank guarantee related queries and advice, you can contact us at any time. Our contact info: email us, support@importletterofcredit.com, call us, +97145519699, call or WhatsApp or bottom, +9715046487761, visit www.importletterofcredit.com.